Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage the educational platform and its main functions. Now, to do this, you're going to require an educational account on CogniFit, and if you don't have one yet and you're not sure how to do that, then just check out our video which takes you step by step through that process. Once we have our account, we should know that CogniFit has two main types of products: assessment batteries and training programs. Both have an online format, so they can be carried out either during a face-to-face session in class with a student or remotely from their homes. They can also be done on a computer, tablet, or smartphone. Assessment batteries are a convenient tool to assess the state of the different cognitive abilities of our students. Now, there are different types, but they always consist of two sections, that is, questionnaires and neuropsychological tasks. The most comprehensive assessment is the General Cognitive Assessment Battery, CAB Pro, which consists of a questionnaire about physical, psychological, and social well-being, and a total of 17 neuropsychological tasks based on classic cognitive assessment tests. It takes about 30 to 40 minutes to complete and assesses all 22 cognitive abilities, and all of these pertain to the domains of memory, reasoning, coordination, attention, and perception. There are also shorter assessments, more specific in nature, that could cover such things as reading comprehension and driving skills. The platform also features an exclusive assessment for schools, the Cognitive Assessment for Schools, which includes a questionnaire focused on academic aspects. When completed by the student, it then generates two reports. One goes to the teacher and the other goes to the parents or guardians. Beyond assessment batteries, CogniFit also provides a series of classic individual tasks, such as the Erickson Flanker test, the Tower of Hanoi, or the trail making test. Training programs are a tool which allow you to stimulate different cognitive abilities of students in an entertaining way and track their improvements. If the student has already completed an assessment, the CogniFit system will take that information into account to define the initial training plan. Additionally, thanks to the Individualized Training System, ITS, CogniFit system will adjust the training plan session by session to meet the specific needs of each student. Each training session focuses on a specific cognitive ability. It takes about 10 minutes to do and consists of 2 stimulation games and an evaluation task. The stimulation games are playful in nature and they focus on a specific cognitive area, adapting the level so that it's challenging but not frustrating. The evaluation task measures the level of that student and adapts the training plan according to the current status of that student. The most comprehensive training in CogniFit is the personalized training. It covers all of the stimulation tasks and up to 22 cognitive abilities. However, if it detects a particular difficulty or an area in particular need of support, it might suggest a more specific training program. That could be exam training, perception training, memory training, coordination, or other things. Other areas are of course covered, but that particular area in need will be trained more frequently. In the Students tab, we can view the cognitive results and download reports of our students. You can find more details about this in the video, How to View My Students' Results. In the Care Plans tab, we can invite new students. You can find more details about this in the videos, How to Invite Students and How to Import a Student Database. In the Groups tab, you can create groups to better organize your students and see general aspects of the students added to each group. In the Documentation tab, you can consult the user manual for schools. Finally, in the top right menu, the 3 horizontal white lines, we have access to Preferences, where you can change your email, password, and other relevant information, to the Messages section to communicate directly with our students through the CogniFit platform, and to the option Try Exercises. In this section, we can try all the cognitive stimulation games of CogniFit ourselves, see which cognitive skills they train, try different difficulty levels, etc. Of course, if you have any additional queries, just contact us at support@cognifit.com.